What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on an Antipasto Chopped Salad. I've got a deli counter basically going into this bowl for the salad. The trick is to get everything small enough so that you get a flavorful bite. Let's get going. So as I mentioned, I've got all of my ingredients here and I want to get everything chopped up. Start with my pepperoni. Got my salami. I'm gonna slice my olives. All right, I'm gonna chop my artichoke hearts up. I've got some pepperoncini peppers. They are already sliced. So there are a few of them that are a little bit too big, and I'll just slice those in half. I've got some grape tomatoes and I'm gonna cut those in half. Next, I've got this provolone cheese. I'm gonna thinly slice this quarter of a red onion. I have a red bell pepper here that I need to get roasted. Got my open flame and I'm just gonna roast it right over this open flame. I've got my pepper roasted. I'm just gonna toss it in this Ziploc bag. Close it up and allow it to just steam on itself so that I can pull all of that skin off. I've got some romaine lettuce here and I've already washed this. I need to get this cut and I want to get it cut small so that it matches everything that we've already got going on here. Put those together and cut them in half. I got this head of iceberg lettuce and I want to get this chopped up as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the skin off of this red bell pepper. All right, I got the pepper cleaned up. I'm gonna chop it. All right, I got everything chopped up. Let's make the dressing. All right, let's start with the red wine vinegar. We got some Dijon mustard, dried oregano, fresh garlic, fresh cracked black pepper, and salt. Whisk that together. Now I'm going to slowly add my olive oil as I continuously whisk. All right, let's see what this is tasting like. I don't need to add anything. That's perfect. And it's going to be even better as it sits with that garlic in it. The wine that I've chosen to pair with my Antipasto Chopped Salad is a 2021 Ranieri Chianti Classico. Let's get some in the glass. All right, so we got a beautiful crimson red on this wine. This is a beautiful color. It's a little bit translucent. Very expressive on the nose. I'm getting vanilla, cherry. It's a little herbaceous on the nose as well. And that term that I always like to use, creamy. And I think what that means for me is balance. So I'm not getting any burn, any alcohol burn. I can't really, with the creamy, it sort of melds together and there's no one thing sticking out. It's just sort of seamlessly smooth. And I know smooth is not really a wine term, but I'm using it. I mean, it's creamy on the nose. It's sweet. It's like creamy candy on the nose. I guess is the best way for me to describe that. Really good. Let's just give it a taste. Medium bodied, nice tongue coater. I'm getting the herbaceous thing again. Even a little farther than that. I'm getting, it's almost like eucalyptus or some sort of a mint. Sort of in that family, the eucalyptus or mint or somewhere along in there. I'm getting that type of a sensation on the palate. I'm also getting cherry. Really nice acidity. The Chianti Classico is a Sangiovese based wine, and the Sangioveses are known for their vibrant acidity, juicy acidity. And this one is holding true to that. Let's see if it pairs. All right, I'm ready to put together my Antipasto Chopped Salad. All right, start with my lettuce. All right, so I'm gonna add my salami, pepperoni, tomatoes, red onions, roasted red pepper, artichoke hearts, garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, black olives, pepperoncini, and provolone cheese. I've also got some fresh mozzarella perline. These are the perfect size little balls of cheese. I'm gonna add my perline to the salad. I'm gonna add my dressing. And I'm gonna toss the salad up. The salad is done. I'm ready to taste. I'm gonna dig right in, help myself. A little fresh cracked black pepper. All right, that's delicious. As expected, it's a mouthful. There's a lot going on here. Cured meats and cheeses, offering so much flavor and the freshness. Believe it or not, the little bit of parsley that we put on it, nice little zing of herbs there. I'm ready to see if this is gonna pair. Everything that we got going on in that bowl, this is a challenge. Very nice. Wow. So what I was hoping for with the ample acidity that the Chianti Classicos are known for, because of the fact that we got cured meats, we got cured cheeses, we got pickled peppers, I needed something that's gonna cleanse the palate after all of that, after each bite, and reset the palate for the next bite. And it's doing wonderful, but I gotta double check. Wow. Really good. That was more than one bite, obviously. That's a perfect pairing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.